Hello, today we are going to talk about Scratch. You can do many cool stuff with Scratch. Today we are going to see how to make a story in Scratch. I already made one. The story name is Kannadi. Kannadi means mirror in Tamil. The story is in Tamil. I will play this story. After that, we will see how to create this story.
சுப்பு இங்க வா கடைக்கு போய் கண்ணாடி வாங்கிட்டு வா.
என்ன கண்ணாடி சார்? கண்ணுல போடுற கண்ணாடியா?
கண்ணுல போடுற கண்ணாடி இல்லடா, நான் சேவ் பண்ண போறேன். என் முகம் பாக்குறதுக்கு என் முகம் தெரியுற மாதிரி ஒரு கண்ணாடியை வாங்கிட்டு வா, புரியுதா?
புரியுது சார்.
10 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம்
வந்துட்டேன்.
டேய், ஒரு கண்ணாடி வாங்க போயிட்டு இத்தனை வருஷம் கழிச்சாடா வருவ? எங்கடா போன?
சார், நான் உலகத்தை முழுசா தேடினேன். என்ன எல்லா நாட்டு கண்ணாடியும் என் முகம் தெரியுது. என்ன உங்க முகம் தெரிய கண்ணாடி கிடைக்கவே இல்லை.
This is the end of the story. Now I exit full screen. Now we are going to see how to create this project. The important things to make a story are the characters and their dialogues. This guy here is Supu. He is the 7th character, and this is the master character. I will show you how I recorded their dialogues. I have selected the master character. This master character have three dialogues in the story. I recorded the 3 dialogues separately. Let's hear his first dialogue.
சுப்பு இங்க வா கடைக்கு போய் கண்ணாடி வாங்கிட்டு வா.
I will show you how to record I'll show you how to record. You press the record button. Example, I'll show you. Hello, my name is Magizhnan. If you're not set, okay, let me put. Hello, my name is Magizhnan. Sorry. If you're not satisfied with the sound, you can re-record. If you're satisfied, you can save it. I want to save it. You can tune it, like make it slower.
Hello, my name is Magizhnan.
Make it faster.
Hello, my name is Magizhnan.
Louder, softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse, even robot.
Hello, my name is Magizhnan.
It's also same for this dude, this 7th character. I have recorded 6 dialogues for him. Now I'll show you how the coding's done. Now I go to this man. When the green flag is clicked, he will show up. Then he will start his first dialogue. Then he'll wait 10 seconds. Then he'll play his second dialogue. Then he'll wait another 10 seconds. Then he'll hide. Then after 3 seconds he'll show up again. Then after 4 seconds he will play his last dialogue. I'll show you.
சுப்பு இங்க வா கடைக்கு போய் கண்ணாடி வாங்கிட்டு வா.
Now he's waiting 10 seconds.
கண்ணுல போடுற கண்ணாடி இல்லடா, நான் சேவ் பண்ண போறேன். என் முகம் பாக்குறதுக்கு என் முகம் தெரியுற மாதிரி ஒரு கண்ணாடியை வாங்கிட்டு வா, புரியுதா?
And now he's waiting another 10 seconds. Now he hide. Now he came back.
டேய், ஒரு கண்ணாடி வாங்க போயிட்டு இத்தனை வருஷம் கழிச்சாடா வருவ? எங்கடா போன?
And it's pretty similar to this guy. With the help of this weight control block, you can make it into conversations. Now I'll show you how to import sprites from the internet. Don't mess my project up, so I'm going to show you in a new project. I go to my stuff. Now I put in create. This cat is the default sprite, so you can delete it. I deleted it. I already saved on picture. I already have one picture here. Now I'm going to right click. Then I press save image as. Now I change his name. Change his name to Happy. Happy, and now I save it. We close this. Now we go to this Untitled. Now we can upload Sprite. Now we upload this guy. Click here. Now we open. And here he is. This is how to import sprites. You can use this method to make stories, even scratch movies. Just saying. So this is the end of the video. Stay safe. Stay at home. Bye.